Hello Nancy, it's currently 7:36 p.m. Tuesday, December 10th. In 14 days, we're gonna hit Christmas Eve, and so surely, but slowly but surely, we are getting there. So 124, page 124, all clear one, and that's chapter 7. If you check the previous video, you're gonna see I was around, and your turn listening challenge. And I think I have it here. So listen.
Your turn. Listening challenge. Page 124. Listen to the sentences. Add to what each person is saying. Fill in the blanks with it or them. 1.
This is a nice suit.
So we imagine that the guy is going to ask a question. Where can I try this on? Or where can I try it on? Because it's a suit, singular. So they want us to use either it or them. Where can I try it on? Where can I try it on? Okay, next.
2. Those look like warm gloves.
So, Florian, I'm going to try them on.
3. This shirt is too small.
So I'm sorry, I didn't try it on before I bought it. I'm sorry, I didn't try it on before I bought it.
4. I love your hat.
Can I try it on?
5. These shorts are okay.
So these shorts, I tried them on. I tried them on. So it's very important, very, very simple detail, but quite important. Now we have over there, right over there, go over there. There, distance, here, right here. Excuse me, where's the teacher? She's right over there. Oh, I see her. Thanks. Where's my book? Maybe it's at Lynn's house. Remember, you studied with her yesterday. Oh, that's right. I need to go over there right now and get it because I need to do my homework. So we have a distance there, over there. Similar expression, be over there, come over, be over here, and come over here. Where are you? I'm over here, under the car. Dad, I fell and my leg hurts. Come over here and let me look at it. Let me look at it. So your turn. He's with me. He's right here. He's across the street. He's over there. Okay. Go on in. This is a friendly way to tell someone to go into something that is over there. Is the restaurant open? Go on in. So go on inside. Don't wait for me. I parked the car. You go on in. Okay, we'll see you inside. Come on in. Friendly way to say come in. You're gonna hear it. Come on in, come in. You say come on in when you want someone to come into a place where you are. You say go on in when you want someone to go into a place, but you're not there. Come on in, you're already inside. Go on in, you go inside, but you're not there. Hi guys, come on in. It's great to see you. It's like enter. Thanks, it's great to be here. Your turn. On the right, come on in or go on in. I'll be right there, don't wait for me, go on in. Welcome, come on in. Okay, so you're already inside, you say come on in. Go on in is when you're not inside. Okay. How do they look? How does it look? They look, it looks, plus an adjective. You can ask people these questions when you try clothes on. You ask these questions if you want their opinion. They will tell you if the clothes look good on you. What do you think of these shoes? How do they look? They look really nice. Are they comfortable? What do you think of this jacket? How does it look? I think it's too long. Your turn. So they ask you to get a picture from a magazine or newspaper, write down at least 3 things a person or people are wearing, then write a question and answer for each item. So here they just give you, like, for instance, what are they wearing? A necklace, earrings, question, how does it look? It looks beautiful, the necklace. How do they look? They look beautiful, and so forth. I'll take, will take. You can say this to a salesperson in a store when you are ready to buy something, or also to order food. Hi, do you want to take this sweater? Yes, I'll take it. Hi, we're ready. We'll take this chair. Okay, I'll be right with you. Hi, I'll take these jeans. Will that be all? That means, do you want anything else? Yes, that's all. Okay, so it's quite easy here. So far we're just looking, let me know, you let me know, we saw also the future. What do you think of? How much is? How much are they? How much is it? Try on, to try something on. Over there, over here. To go on in, come on in. How do they look? Will take. Okay, we're going to read that also the next time I see you, but tomorrow. Now, mini dialogue. Let me just go back to my list. Yeah, it should be this one, I hope.
Exercise 1. Mini dialogues. Page 128.
I think that's this
Listen to the mini dialogues. Repeat what you hear.
one. Yeah.
1. Can I help you?
Thanks. I'm just looking.
2. What do you think of this suit?
It's nice, but how much is it? 3. Excuse me, where can I try this on?
Over there, in the fitting rooms.
4. Are those new jeans?
Uh-huh. How do they look?
5. These are great sunglasses.
Yeah, but how much are they? 6. That's a great watch.
Yeah, but how much is it?
7. Can you come over tonight?
I'm not sure. Can I let you know later?
8. Hi, are you busy?
No. Come on in.
Okay, that's a bit slower. Make sure. I think that's it. So 128. Okay, and here we have a grammar exercise. Complete these sentences with question and questions with try on. I like these pants. I'm going to try them on. I need to return these jeans because they are too small. Didn't you try them on before you bought them? Are you going to buy the green shirt? I don't know. I need to try it on. Where is she? She's trying on a lot of clothes. Huh? Why are you so unhappy? I tried on about 5 pairs of pants and none of them fit me. Okay, now we have to add this on these. How much on these shoes? How do these shoes look? What do you think of this coat? I'll take these jeans. How much is this backpack? Complete the question with how much. Use it all day. These are nice shoes. How much are they? Mom, can we get that backpack? Is it expensive? How much is it? So now the mistakes. Talking to someone at school. It's 3:30. I need to come home right away. Find the error and mistakes. Talking to someone at school. It's 3:30. I need to come home right away. So that is this kind of stuff I like to let you do it because I want to make sure you really understand everything. So yeah. Yeah, I come to school at 9 every morning, talking at home, talking in the United States. Yeah, when I come back to my native country, I will see my family. We'll do that together. It's gonna be, yeah, because sometimes you have to be careful of the position of the words. We're gonna go back to 129. We're gonna do that tomorrow, page 129, the exercise. And this is, we can just listen to it. We still have time. Hold on, let me just go back to the list.
Exercise 4. Listen and write the expressions.
Just listen.
Page 130. The following is a conversation between Lynn, Jim, and a salesperson. Lynn and Jim finished shopping for jeans, and now they are shopping for a wedding gown for Lynn. A wedding gown is a special dress for a woman who is getting married. As you listen, fill in the blanks with the expressions that you hear. When you finish, perform the conversation with 2 classmates.
Hello. How are you two today?
Fine, thanks.
Can I help you find a wedding gown?
Thanks, but we're just looking right now.
No problem. Let me know if I can help.
Thanks. Lynn, look at this one. What do you think of this?
It's beautiful. How much is it?
It's too expensive.
Come on, tell me how much.
200.
Excuse me, can I try this on?
Sure. The fitting rooms are right over there. Just go on in.
Thanks. Jim, I'm ready. How does this look?
Wow, you look fantastic.
Yes, it looks beautiful on you.
We'll take it. But Jim, please don't wear your new jeans to our wedding.
So something important is, okay, so wedding gown is like the dress for the the married woman, future married woman. The thing is, there is a tradition that the husband, the future husband, is not supposed to see the wedding gown. Okay, it's like bad luck or something like that. So it's he's not supposed to see it. So when you buy that, you buy it with your mom or some friends, So anyways, make sure I'm not gonna, don't know if I'm gonna have time to do everything. Cultural note. Many people in the United States, like to buy things that are used, like the flea market or the garage sale. They go to flea markets, yard sales, and second-hand stores. Do people buy used things in your native country? In France, yeah, they do. We have the flea market, and we also have some garage sales as well. It's more common, the flea market. Okay, so not really too difficult. I need to rush now because it's almost 15 minutes. And that's it. So I finished it. And who's cooking tonight? Lesson 8 for tomorrow. You have a nice evening, 7:50 so far. And I'll talk to you tomorrow at 9:05. Take care. Bye-bye.